Hello my bunnies, it's Tiki's Trinkets here, and today I have for y'all another polymer clay tutorial. But before I get into that, I got on this cute Peeps kind of looking knockoff Peeps headband. You cannot see that. Let me just tilt. There we go. I got this from Target in the dollar section, I believe. It was pretty cheap. I can't remember if it was Target or somewhere else. Or possibly Walmart. Either way, we're just gonna put that back down a little. But yeah, new headband in honor of Easter because it's coming up. You know, I love bunnies. As you can see, most of the things are bunnies. So I just got to get my bunny stuff in. I know it is rather dark. I didn't feel like pulling the lighting out. It is daytime. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see sunlight coming through there. It's just raining, so it's a little bit dark. Also, I just didn't want to pull out my ring light. I'm just lazy. And I've noticed that on my last video, I apologize for the blurriness because when I recorded, I thought it was blurry because it appeared blurry on my phone and on the video editor. But when I uploaded it, it seemed fine as a daisy. So hopefully this video will be alright too. I'm also talking and projecting a little loud because I still don't know how loud this particular new phone is. I have the Motorola G8 Plus. I think it's the Plus. I didn't get the power. I didn't like the power for this one. There was something better about this one I liked. I don't think it's the Play. I think it's the Plus. Either way, I got one of the newer ones that just came out because I cracked my old phone. Dropped it on my shoe and it cracked really bad. Don't postpone putting new tempered glass on your phone. That's all I got to say, kids. Put it on when it breaks. But anywho, I've been talking for almost 2 minutes straight. Today we are making, as you can see, this little boy right here, gosh, I didn't look up his official name. The official name for the moon was Moondrop. I know they said that on the website. But I have not seen the official name for the sun yet. And this just does not want to focus. But yeah, that's what this tutorial is for today, but you know that by looking at the thumbnail. His eyes also glow in the dark. I think I'm going to include a picture of that at the end, but I can't remember. You'll see when you watch it. But stay tuned in the end to see pictures, videos, etc. You know what I mean, all that good stuff. But yeah, his eyes also glow in the dark, Moondrops. The sun's eyes glow in the dark. I wanted to make a match. You can buy glow-in-the-dark clay in that set that I use, or you can buy it individually. I know you can buy just the plain glow-in-the-dark color, but I'm not sure about like multicolor. Anywho, it's alright. Also, I did not do video footage for this particular tutorial because I was working on 2 videos at once, so I apologize for that, but I still have the pictures, and you can still follow along pretty easily, so doesn't matter. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know what next week's video is going to be yet. I also got an Etsy sale this week, which makes 200 sales on Etsy. So thank you all so much. I'm at 254 subs here on YouTube, so thank you for that too. To all the new people to my channel. I really appreciate it. I really do. It means the world to me. Hopefully we can get to 300 soon. Maybe I can do something special for 300 subs. I'll kind of rattle my brain around to try to figure out something for that. But yeah, tell your friends to watch the video. Alright, I'm done blabbing. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you can make one on your own if you'd like to. Thank you guys so much for watching. These will be listed for sale on Etsy very shortly, but I also still have to make Vanessa and Gregory for this set. There's not another character for me to make a 5th ring. I might just make a specialty character or something like that to go with it. I don't know yet. There's just not enough characters in the game for a whole 2nd ring set, but we'll see. We'll see. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in next week's video, which I don't know what it'll be yet, but you will see then. Thank you guys so much. I love you very much. Bye-bye, my bunnies. For this tutorial, you're going to need 3 colors. I use Sculpey 3 Yellow, Sunshine, and Glow-in-the-Dark Blue. I got the glow-in-the-dark blue in a specialty pack, so you can try to look this up on Amazon or Hobby Lobby or something, or maybe somewhere online, or just get the specialty pack, or just use regular blue. I started with the regular yellow, rolled about a 1/2 inch ball, and pressed it down with the center of my hand so it stayed round on the top, but flat on the bottom. Then I used the little itty-bitty ball to make the cheek and press that on. Next, I went on ahead and moved on to the sunshine color. And we're not going to need much as well. We're going to roll another 1/2 inch ball, about the same size as the previous one, maybe a little bit smaller. And then you're going to want to roll this ball out nice and flat into a circle. I tried to keep it 1 inch by 1 inch, as you can see by the ruler here. Coffee time. Then I put this ball on top of that, and I cut off the excess, the little nib hanging off the side. Then after that, I took my half moon cutter, or you can just cut a half moon shape with your X-Acto blade or whatever you use to cut with. And then voila, now we have the base. I ended up taking the cheek piece off because it was a little bit easier to work with the cheek piece removed at this moment. Next, I went on ahead and took another ball to make the nose. Please make this a lot smaller because I made his nose way too daggone big. So probably cut that size about in half, just to be honest. Then, to make the nose, I rolled out the teardrop. I cut it with the semicircle cutter, so it would be the same shape. And that way you have the nose, just press it on there, just like the moon in the background, and then you're going to take a blending tool or your thumb and blend it out into the other yellow part, the other sunshine color part right there. Sorry, more coughing. Then I took my little ball dotting tool that I got in the set from Walmart and just poked 2 little holes for the eyes. Then I used the semicircle cutter to make the mouth. His mouth starts right under his nose, so use the reference photo to make sure you get it in the right spot. Then I used one of my rubber nail art tools to indent the teeth, like the different lines for the teeth. Then I put the cheek back on. Well, I did that a little bit earlier, but now I'm making the other cheek to put on too. Put it on the opposite side directly across, just like such. Then after that, I took a little pointed tool and did the swirl for the nose and the 2 little arches for the eyebrows on the top. It's a little hard to see. My camera light is too good now. It just whites everything out when you take a photo with the lights on. Next, we're moving on to the yellow to make the little spikes around his head. And you're going to need exactly this many balls. What is that, 7? 3, 3, 1? Yeah, 7. Then roll them into teardrop shapes. This part's really repetitive, so I apologize, but it's the only way to make the shapes. Then you cut the little pieces so that they're flat on the ends. Then take some type of glue or some type of adhesive to adhere them to the head and try to space them out as evenly as possible. That's the glue I use, but you can use liquid Sculpey, you can use all kinds of stuff, so just do your research. Then I rolled out 2 itty bitty balls to make the eyes and just stuck them in the head. You can put a little glue in there for extra security too. Next, I baked it, and once I baked it, I took it out the oven, and then I waited for it to cool off, and then I used E6000 to glue it to the ring base. Once that's completely dried, then I use polyacrylic floor varnish from Walmart to glaze it up with 2 coats, and then you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for next week's video, which I still don't know what it'll be, but stay tuned for next Friday. There's the glow in the dark like I promised. Alright, love you guys so much. Bye-bye, my bunnies.